Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the classic Ford Capri, a perfect fusion of timeless European style and raw performance. Its sleek silhouette and commanding presence make it instantly recognizable on any road. Starting from the lower left, the flowing body lines draw your eyes along the coupe's elegant form, blending aerodynamics with retro styling. As we move up, the twin round headlights capture that iconic 70s charm, while the slim grille and chrome accents nod to its heritage. Moving across to the right, the long hood stretches forward with confidence, hinting at the power beneath. As we pan down to the lower right, the front bumper, sculpted yet simple, reinforces its clean, aggressive stance. Finally, coming back to the left, every detail tells a story of a car built to excite without shouting. A legend crafted for drivers who appreciate finesse, character, and lasting appeal. As we shift to the rear, the Capri's fastback design continues to impress, exuding a sporty and refined attitude. The rectangular taillights with classic bezels maintain a vintage look, paired perfectly with the Capri badging at the center, unmistakably authentic. Moving lower, the twin exhaust tips add a throaty growl to its personality. Panning further to the right, the wide rear haunches emphasize its athletic nature. Coming back to the lower left, the bumper's chrome finish adds that extra layer of nostalgia. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling tribute to classic motoring passion. Step inside, and the Ford Capri greets you with a cabin that merges retro elegance with modern updates for today's enthusiast. The bucket seats, wrapped in premium leatherette with plaid inserts, offer comfort and classic flair. The dashboard layout remains faithful to the original, while incorporating a modern infotainment display for convenience. Moving across, you'll notice the clean lines and tactile knobs that celebrate analog driving. Down to the lower right, aluminum foot pedals and a short throw gear lever ensure the connection between driver and machine remains intact. Finally, coming back to the left, the interior ambiance is all about focused, pure driving. Every inch inside is tailored to bring the golden era of motoring to life, with a modern twist. From the side, the Ford Capri's proportions are unmistakably coupe. Long nose, short rear deck, and a graceful roofline that sweeps into the rear. The flared wheel arches and alloy wheels enhance its sporting edge. Moving up, the body color mirrors and trim keep it subtle and stylish. Panning across, the iconic Capri badging and tight panel gaps showcase the precision in design. Dropping to the lower right, the subtle side skirts add both style and stability. Finally, back to the left, it's a design that's as graceful as it is bold. A classic silhouette that never goes out of style. Under the hood, the Reborn Ford Capri offers a driving experience that blends nostalgia with power. The engine, a finely tuned 2.3L turbocharged inline-4, delivers over 300 horsepower, offering brisk acceleration without compromising efficiency. Moving up, the digital analog hybrid cluster gives real-time feedback with a vintage look. Across the center, selectable drive modes let you fine-tune the experience. To the right, a sport-tuned suspension and limited slip differential ensure cornering confidence. Coming back around, the Capri proves that performance and poise can go hand in hand. Built for the purist, refined for the modern driver. Let's talk about why the Capri is more than just a retro revival, it's a smart investment. The classic Ford Capri is expected to start around $45,000, with high-spec heritage trims nearing $60,000. Moving up, it includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Across the center, it remains affordable to maintain, especially compared to other collector-grade vehicles. Panning to the right, it offers rare style and everyday usability. Finally, back to the left, this is your chance to drive a piece of history, rebuilt for the road ahead. If you're ready to reconnect with the soul of classic motoring, visit your nearest Ford dealer and make the Capri yours today. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.